Well, it's January 25th. Kitty Catty brought Mousey in for a sleepover last night. Now it's after 10 a.m. and I think it's time to let him go. It's going to snow though, but he'll be all right. All right, Mousey boy. Watch out, Molly. Molly, move over there. You ready, Pally? Huh? You ready to go? I know you are. Look at you. You're looking out there in the world, aren't you? Here he goes. Come on, Mousey. Mousey boy. Don't you want to go? You don't have to if you don't want to. Huh? What do you want to do? You want to stay in your little house? I better watch this. He'll knock this over. You want to stay in your little house, Mouse? Huh? You don't want to go? You don't have to. You don't have to if you don't want to. Oh, I guess you want to. Oh, you're not sure. There he goes.